outside of their own household.
From the JES First Warning Weather Center, here's meteorologist Maddie Kirker.
One of the first things you learn in meteorology school is how to look at and interpret all the different weather models. We have been doing that over the last couple of days, and today's forecast not as favorable for seeing snow for much of the region. Now, I want to show you the different models. Again, the timing looks very similar to what we've been talking about all week long. Thursday, starting tomorrow, we will see clouds on the increase, and then as early as Friday morning, could see a few flakes mixing with rain. This event, though, all the way from Friday afternoon heading into Saturday, should mainly be a rain event, and then that system will be pulling away from our coastline. Let's dive into those models, shall we? First things first, this is the European model, and this model, as you remember, perhaps on Monday, had the greatest chance of seeing snowfall and snowfall sticking here across our region. At the time now, we are looking at rain, of course, to start 4 o'clock heading into Friday afternoon. By Friday evening, maybe seeing some of that mixing over to some snow and sleet out towards Richmond. But for our immediate area, you can see this is 6 a.m. on Saturday. That cold air just not pulling in fast enough. Most of the area just seeing a cold rain, and then that rain will be pulling away from our region. Let's check the GFS. Are we seeing any better luck here? Well, taking a look here, timing looks pretty similar. By Friday afternoon, we begin to see that cold rain moving through out towards Richmond and Emporia. We may see some of this mixing over from snow to sleet. But again, most of the region, including Hampton Roads and the Outer Banks, just seeing a cold rain. And now we've got to look at our in-house model. This is called the graph model, the one we only get here at the TV station. And this is also painting a very similar picture. By Friday afternoon, just seeing some rain. Friday evening, we may begin to see some of this switching over to snow and sleet to our west. But even as we head into Saturday morning, mainly just seeing rain showers. So overall, this is the chances and the timeline for you. As we start things off early on in the morning, we may see a mix, and that's mainly our western locations. Cold rain through noon all the way through 6 o'clock. But Friday night, we may see some of this switching over, some of those flakes, along with that cold rain. Now, this is not looking too great if you're wishing for snow for our area. Again, the European model has been the most aggressive, giving us a better chance of seeing snow all week. But as of today, this is the snowfall potential through 1 p.m. You can see here, and most of us not even seeing a dusting of snowfall. We may see some of that out towards Williamsburg and, of course, towards Richmond. How about the GFS? Well, same story here. We could perhaps see a dusting, again, mainly on elevated surfaces from Williamsburg to Franklin down towards Ahoskie, but the good majority of us not expecting to see any snowfall. And again, our in-house model, this is the graph, also not painting the best picture. This is actually showing the least amount of snowfall potential as we head into early on a Saturday. So what's our official forecast? Well, again, we've been looking at the data behind the scenes, and this is the best potential. We're being a little aggressive here, but there is a possibility when you wake up on Saturday morning, we may have a dusting of snowfall stretching from Williamsburg into Suffolk, Isle of Wight County, down into Gates County, North Carolina, all the way down towards Bertie, and maybe even portions of the eastern shore into Accomack County. But for Virginia Beach, down along the Outer Banks, Elizabeth City, most of the Albemarle, we're not expecting to see any of that snowfall. Are we done? Do we have any more chances? Well, I want to give you some hope. If you are in Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, you're wanting to see some snowfall this winter, well, early next week, this is 1 o'clock on Monday, we're going to have another weather maker. This system will be moving in from the south, giving us, once again, perhaps some cold air wrapping around where we may see some snowfall moving in towards Tuesday evening. Again, still at this point, looking more like a rainmaker, but something else to watch as we go through the next couple of days. Now, out there right now, we are coming in with completely cloudy skies. Not the nicest looking day, plus it's on the colder end. Current conditions at the ocean front in the 40s, but look at that wind right now. Coming in out of the northwest at 18 miles per hour, gusting upwards to 30. So it's making it feel more like the 30s and in the 40s. A great day to just stay under the blanket for sure. But our forecast for the rest of the day, I do think we will see gradual clearing in our skies. It is going to be breezy through this afternoon. Tomorrow, we'll start things off with some sunshine. It will be on the chilly side, and by tomorrow afternoon, that's when that system begins to move in. We'll have clouds increasing through our daytime on Thursday. Taking a look at your 3-day forecast, increasing clouds tomorrow, rain and a mix possible for Friday, and then heading into Saturday, we may see a wintry mix early. Before that rain moves out Saturday afternoon, we will be dry on Sunday. With snow on everyone's mind, here's my question today. Snow generally forms at an altitude of 10,000 to 15,000 feet. What is the most favored temperature range? All right, what are you guys thinking? I know you got this one.
Right, yeah,
This is
so
a
easy.
Throw a dart at the.
I'm going to say -16 to -4.
You know, Erica, that was actually what I was going with as well. So why not? We'll go all in the middle.
It's actually not as cold as you think. It's 4 to 10, and again, this is the most favored, the big, nice, fluffy flakes we like to see.
There you go. All right.